Oh, he didn't live. Got both of them. Heck yes. Arc pistols. The arc pistol's so fun. Where they at, though? Oh, that's all for that round. Should probably put the recon mine somewhere, just to have it down. Oh, my mine didn't even go anywhere. Lame. You said that like you're worried about him, Volus. Guardians ain't nothing. Oh yeah? That's good. Nothing's worse than buffering. Where's the bad guys? Guess that's all. Let's run down here. Maybe they'll spawn near my recon mine. No, we got a stream frozen. Super gay. Ow! I want to shoot a mine at this thing, and it whiffed. I still killed it. Stop hiding. Stop hiding. We got a guy out there being the hero of Tuchanka. Oh, I guess I gotta burn an ammo pack. I wanted that one. I wanted to steal that one. Nah, man. I've just been playing too much in general. And a lot of the time with charge weapons. You just, you know, you just gotta time the shots right, that's all. Yeah, there are phantoms here. I don't know if I want to be being too aggressive here. Go ahead and reload before we head up in here. I don't have an aimbot, promise. No. Haven't you ever seen Technoturian do a speedrun? He makes me look like a loser. Let's grab some ammo while we're over here. Freaking aimbots. already dead. Where you going? Don't. I'm just a Volus. Don't run away from me. Take a reload while we're here. You know what? I'm not gonna kill it. I'm letting it another chance at shooting that Nemesis. Didn't get either one of those. How about that? There's a grab. Damn it, Phantom. Make up your mind. How are you going to move exactly? That's too many walls there. I'm gonna need more ammo at this rate. Let's go ahead and grab some. Hope that Krogan's okay, and by I hope he's okay, I mean, I almost hope he dies just because he's out there being a little bit greedy. Oh, he went down. Not totally dead, he'll be fine. We can repair him. No turrets. They're not allowed. I got aimbot, I got my wall hacks. They can't do anything against me. It really would go a lot faster if he was in here. Phantoms fidget too much, can't hit him. Give me that reload. Maybe the Nemesis down here. Got him! That's just silly. What's up, Rysark? This is my last game, man. Glad you're here. Oh, didn't quite get him. Volus is the real hero of Tuchanka. You've seen it here, guys. We need the headshot. Come on. Come on, proximity mine. You can get around the corner. sorry, were you coming up here to kill somebody? Ooh, looky here. Need more ammo first. That Krogan. That Atlas just evaporated. Oh, I don't take him seriously. He just looks ridiculous. Sure, still got that mine debuff. I want to overcover grab somebody. Oh, that is the best. That is the best. This ramp isn't quite steep enough. You can't get that good velocity. You gotta have a steep ramp. Is this wave 10? 9, okay. Are they gonna be here? Oh, they were down here. I should have left my mine there. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, you jerk. Oh, this is the engineer's wave. Sort of. We're gonna say no to that. Oh, I didn't kill him. Oh, that's right, I can't jump over that cover. People, please! Don't worry, guy. I got your back. I can hit everything consistently, almost, except freaking phantoms. Nope. Help him get across here. Oh, shield boost fail. Don't let her get to us. You really want some? You want some of the roly-poly? I didn't think so. We're gonna pop another ammo. I can't aim anymore. What happened? My aimbot doc's exe has failed. Encountered an internal error and has closed down. Get some ammo. And we're gonna chill out in here for extraction wave. Hopefully we don't have to leave. I'm not here. Go somewhere else. What's the cooldown on it? Oh, it's like not very long. Shot in the back. Nope, nope, nope. Can't do this. Nice ballistic blade, guy. Your wall's not thick enough. Ugh. So slowest evade. At least he's not a fat Turian and he can roll a little bit. How about that the Volus can combat roll, but the fat Turian can't? Ain't that a bitch? Hey! 20 minutes, that's not too bad. Well, everybody that showed up, sorry I gotta cut it super short, but I got important things to do today. Let's see how we did on score, and then we'll get out of here. Maybe there's somebody I can host, actually, before I just straight up peace out, see if anybody, do it, all 7 of you. Let's see. I'm going to randomly host somebody that probably none of you have watched before. And it's okay. Wait, what was my score? Wait, we got to find out. 205 grand. All I got's the ARC pistol. That's all. So, thanks everybody for watching. I'm going to send you guys over towards Green Sam. She's pretty cool gal. I mean, obviously, I'm not necessarily sending you. You can go there, or, you know, you don't have to. Green Sam. And what's